Today I tried kid's portrait, my granddaughter, painting over an old canvas. First thing I thought I'd go traditional and use burnt sienna, white, and then I added a little blue, and it all looks pretty muddy. Well, anyway, we're just trying to model up the shape of a face, hopefully try and get like a 3D shape there, and oops, well, that's an apple. I was just doing another painting, getting rid of these old canvases with fresh stuff. But okay, back to this portrait. Now I'm going to go very colorful and add various colors, really based on their tonal value instead of what color is actually there in the face. Here, still trying to get a 3D look on the face, coming out half decent. Got a little bit of the personality in there. Hair, which is never fun, haha, starting to come out. Now that I got those colors down, I'm adding more of a flesh tone, and hopefully these colors are just going to peek through at the end and add some, personality to the painting. And I thought it was going pretty good here. This is about the fifth time I tried this exact photo reference, and so I'm getting pretty familiar with it. Now going more flesh tone, smaller brush, adding detail. Coming out good, still lots of work to do, but good progress.